So we've posted today. You see a lot of tree roots, so we've got a few posts to cut off. They're all marked. I just put a mark on the side. They're 3 metre posts going in for a 2100 fence, so they're 900 into the ground, so we've got a little bit of room up our sleeves to trim and cut. Yeah, it's pretty easy going through there. Got the concrete truck there, all the kids are out, and we'll just come in around the corner, and then we'll get around right around the other side, and then we'll start fitting out in the next couple of days. Back again, next part of the process we're doing is the side of the post. As you can see, got a mark here, it's 355 down from the top. That gives us our spear. Our spear is 350, and then we go and put the colour bond on. I'll show you the process here. I'm just running through, cutting with a cold cut saw, just dropping our C-channel in, level across, get the panels on, screw on the rails in, and then we'll start to sheet. So basically look like that. We're just trying to block this off, get away from a little bit of temporary fencing because we've got the inspectors coming today, so we're just trying to cover this off a bit. But it's yeah, starting to take shape. We'll get this bit here sheeted today. We posted already this morning, right on the far side. We posted another 40-50 posts. They'll go off and we'll hit that section again tomorrow. Just trying to block off as we go so we don't have to shuffle too much. But yeah, take shape. So yeah, starting to work out. All good.